the name of God, I, Ian, take you, Kayla, to be my wife, to heaven to hold from this day forward, for better or worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until we are parted by death. This is my solemn vow.
Ian, my love. From the moments our path crossed, you've surprised me. You're funny, bright, and charming.
You're funny, you're smart, and would be adventurous to try new things with me. Most importantly, you are the love of my life. And you make me the happiest person I could ever be. I fell in love with your qualities, abilities, and outlook in life that you have. And I won't try to reshape you in different image. I am thankful that God allowed our path to cross because you are more than I have hope and pray for.
I promise to hold your hand each night and pray with you. I promise to be silly and lazy with you sometimes. I promise to answer to the call of adventure with you, no matter in the world may send us. Lastly, I vow to never give up on you and never to give up on us. To love our children, even they become annoying as you can be. Now, let's get really, really old but young looking together. You taught me about life and how to live in the moment and find happiness with life's simple pleasures. You show me that love is in little things. Today, I vow to be true to you, to always motivate and support you, to frustrate and challenge you, and to share with you the beautiful moments of life.
Wait, is there anything you'd like to say? I'm smiling in the silence, wondering if you are even feeling the same. Play
Kayla, my darling. You're the one I want to spend the rest of my life. I love you for being kind, thoughtful, and understanding of me.
make me an offer, you know I can't turn away. It's warm in the water, jump in the waves. When I'm with you, there's no sense of time. And I know that it's late, but I don't wanna say goodnight.
In the presence of God, our family and friends, I'll do my best to fulfill your every need. I promise to never neglect you and always respect you, to accept you the way you are, and vow to remember that you're always right, and take the phrase, happy wife, happy life seriously.
It's getting close to midnight, I know, but I just wanna hear everything.
Uy! Darling! Wait for me in the altar.
Can't wait to be with you, Dupac's best. Talaga. Ang pinakagwapong galapon. Let's enjoy this moment. I love you, Kayla.
Make me an offer, you know I can't turn away. It's warm in the water, jump in the wave. When I'm with you, there's no sense of time. And I know that it's
I am thankful that God allowed our path to cross because you are more than I have hope and pray for. For you make me laugh, you make me happy, and you make me feel alive. I will grow old with you and never stop growing with you through hard times and good times. In sickness and in health, I'll always be at your side. I will love you for all the days of my life.